and thank you so much for joining me. I'm Eric Tolman with you this morning. We have a wind advisory in effect for all of southeast Michigan. We'll have sustained westerly winds between 25 to 30 miles an hour. Will gust up to 40 to 45 miles per hour. And this is for all of southeast Michigan. And the timing for this will be from 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. Strongest winds will be between 1 and 6 p.m. So that's when it's all going to really become a roller coaster. So what can we expect with that? Small tree branches and power lines may blow down, causing some power outages. And then loose objects will blow around, and then driving will be difficult, especially high-profile vehicles. So once again, this wind advisory is for the following counties: Genesee, Huron, Lapeer, Lenawee, Livingston, Macomb, Midland, Monroe, Oakland, Saginaw, Sanilac, Shiawassee, St. Clair, Sokola, Washtenaw, and Wayne under this wind advisory until 8 p.m. this evening. This is Eric Tolman. We'll have another update in the afternoon and throughout the day. If there's any new updates, such as power outages, I will give you that update. So if I do get a report on the power outages, you'll be the first ones to know. Stay tuned for more. We'll see you during the day. Thank you.